the difference between gym and yoga, and what is better for us? So, guys, first we have to understand that what our body is exactly needed. So, first we have to know that we are living in India, and India is such a country where our nature of our body nature is hot. That's why if we are doing exercise continuously, it's not good for our body. In gym, we are doing exercise for 1 hour, 2 hours, and our body and organs are heated continuously. This is very hazardous for our health, and that's why gym is not appropriate for health. Also, if you are doing gym, you are giving 1 year for making making your body um, so attractive and muscular. But if you will go by natural transformation, it will take more time, and by way of protein or any other supplements, it will take less time. But still, whenever you will not able to do gym, then your body will be again gain more fat and more carbohydrates. Then your body will not be muscular anymore. But in yoga, our body accepts yoga. Why? Because because our body nature is to relaxing nature, and in yoga we are doing asanas, and in every asana we put 30 seconds to 1 minute in every asana, and this is very lethargic but very easy and very slow asanas. That's why our body generally accepts it, and it is good for health. If you are doing yoga for 1 year, then even you are not doing yoga, still your body will be more comfortable with yoga, and your body will have more immunity. So now you have to understand that what is good for you, not gym, but it's yoga. Also, gymming is hazardous for health, but yoga and pranayam is not hazardous for health. In gym, you are just uplifting any body weights, dumbbells, bar, rods, pull-ups, and you are just trying to stiff your muscles. But in yoga, you are trying to make your body as much as flexible it can be, and that's why your body adapts it easily. So whenever you will have a conflict between gym and yoga, irrespective of choice, go with yoga rather than gym. Gym is very very bad, you can say. It's not good for Indian, and also it's not good for any youth who are doing heavy weightlifting in gyms. But yoga, we can accept yoga. Gym is good for the Europeans because Europe is a very very cool content, but but India is not a cool continent. India is such a hot continent, and that's why we needed yoga rather than gym. So be careful about gym, but always go for yoga. You can try it, and it's my personal experience. I also did gym for 1 year, uh, and I have a I had a perfect body at that time. But when I left gym for 2 or 3 months, I was well and good. But after that, my body started reduces its stiffness and muscularness, and that's why it becomes more fatty than before. But after that, I started yoga, and yoga gives me immunity. It's give me highest capacity of my lungs, my heart, and all the body parts is working very properly. So go for yoga rather than gym, and that's why yoga is most popular exercise in India.